Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Nani as usual, and of course I'm back here on your screen with a new video. In case you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell down there so that you can be notified every time when I am doing a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back here to see what I'm doing. So guys, we are heading towards the end of Feb. It was a good month, a love month, and I hope you guys enjoyed your Valentine's gifts. For us, we don't do that, so I really wanted to post my Valentine's video, but I never got time to do, though I promise I'm going to be uploading it soon as possible. So we are here specifically to do an unboxing video for my ring lights. I told you guys that last time when I was doing video, my house light wasn't enough, so I needed a bigger ring light so that I can be doing quality videos. And of course I went to Mombasa and I got a good ring light that I think, or I feel it's a good one for my videos. So let us do the unboxing. So I got my ring light from Ken Computers. It's a computer shop in Mombasa, located in Mwembe Tayari. It's a computer shop and with other accessories. I visited Ken Computers first time when I went to Mombasa for a workshop, and I was basically looking for a place where I could update my computer, my laptop, and I saw a good laptop and it was very affordable, so I decided to carry it home. It is really helping me, and so next time, previously when I went to Mombasa again, I saw the ring light from their shop, so I thought it's a good deal. Yes, I'll do this. So without wasting time, let's go and see what is inside my ring lights. Here comes the ring lights. This is how it was. I said that I won't remove this box until I unbox it. So it gives us the quotation of what they have in these ring lights. It's a 360 rotating pan tilt, free adjustment of light composition angle to meet all kinds of light composition needs, upgrade and kids mobiles. So it has a non-slip silicone pad that will help you to hold your phone. Again, it has a wireless remote for you to adjust the lights. I will show you guys how it works. Again, it has a soft light for eye protection. Okay, it basically have just 3 types of lights: the brighter, less brighter, and the less brighter. This is how it comes. Apart from having a box that is protecting it, it's having a bag, the ring light bag. Let us unbox and see what is here. Hey. This is how it is. It's a bigger one. It just looks like this for super like me. Look at it. So this is what I was telling you. Apart from using the remote, you can just adjust the light using these ones. Hope you can see it well. Okay, and apart from this, we are having a stand here. This is the ring light stand. My nails are not working, so can someone help me? It's not that hard to unbox, and it's not also easy. This is how the stand looks like. Let me just try to adjust it as long as possible. It has come to an end. Yeah, this way. Then you fix your ring light there. Oh, it's so tall for me. Let me make it short quickly. Yeah, this is how it is. So I have to place it here by opening this bolt here. Then yes, slowly coming. Here we have it, guys. It has a charger. Yeah, I guess the charger is here. Woo. Batteries that belongs to the remote. Oh God, let me show you. These are the batteries that we will place here at the remote. Here is a charger. That I'm going to connect to this ring light here. Yes, it's supposed to be like this so that I show them how it's gonna be. Yeah, in this we just place this here. So these are the phone holders. I'm slowly fixing them. Oh my God. Yeah. It has 3 phone holders, and here, yeah, I'm about to finish fixing the holders. Then I place them here. It's misbehaving. I don't know why. Yeah. It's supposed to be that way. This is another one. It's supposed to be here. And for this, it's supposed to be here. Let's just make it my size in order that I'm not short. Okay, after doing that, I think I have nothing else left. Just have this remote here. Want to fix the batteries. 2 batteries. Wow. Okay, so let's try lighting the ring lights. I can have an option of using my remote. It's having an on and off button. Again, it has a way of adjusting the light. This one is making the lights more dimmer, and this one is for adjusting the light and making it so bright. Yeah, and selection. This one is for selecting the light, and this one is for darkness or brightness. Then you can still have an option of making it light from this other side, and here we go. Yeah, let me just show you from this side. So here we start, guys. As you can see, I'm trying to adjust the lights. This one is more brighter, and this one is making it bright but with another color. And we can still have an option of using my remote to turn it off, on. Again, we can adjust the light using the remote still. Yeah, I hope you can see how the light is varying this way. Yeah, and still we can control it how we want. So guys, this is how it is at night. Or in a darker room, it's very bright. And using the Kencom computers, they will give you the best of all accessories that you want. Make sure you visit their shop now. You know, I have been ordering my things from Nairobi, but from Mombasa is very cheaper. I'll advise you guys to go and visit the shop so that you can get your good things for your computers, for your laptops, or even for your lights. It's a good shop. So I don't have much to say, guys. That is the unboxing video that I have done for my ring lights. I think my light will be enough, and I hope it's going to serve me a good time and make my video more nice as expected. So bye guys, see you in the next video.